Hello everyone. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. But first, I would like to show you the actual solution for the yesterday's daily target, as mine wasn't the perfect one, but now you can see it is the exact solution. You can see even in the difference there are only slight lines, so it is going to be considered as the 100% accurate solution by the algorithm. So you can just take a look. I'll just zoom it out. And then we begin with today's daily target. Like 100% is enough. So first I'll begin with creating div class is equal to a. Okay, and here we'll write style. First we'll style the body. So obviously first comes the background, but with correct spellings. I don't know why mostly my spellings are going wrong nowadays. So let's paste it. And then we have to do display, flex, justify content, center, align items, again center. Okay, and then comes the A. Wait, we do not need the align items. And I will create A as this bigger blue colored circle. And I'll tell you the reason why I'm giving that to A. Or I can simply tell you what the reason is. The reason is simply that we want that square to be in front of the circle. And that is only possible if we do it this way. Also 400. Also, take a note that I'm not writing pixels or anything because I came to know that by default the unit used is pixels, so we need not even write pixels there. Background, and the color is this one, so let's paste it. Okay, now what we have to do is just give it position absolute, right? And now a top value, which would be I think 150 pixels. Okay, I forgot to do one thing, which is border radius 50%. Yeah, now you can see it is exactly there. Like, let me show you this way. It is exactly where we need it to be. Now what we would be doing is creating another div. Like if I would have created this square before this bigger circle, then the bigger circle would have been in front of that div, and that would have made things a little bit complicated. Also, let's do one thing. We'll also work on this one. Like this is a div that I'll make inside this square. It will have the exact same dimensions and most of the things. So I'm doing this. Also, I'll do A so that I can take the properties that are exotic to this one, like to the outer bigger circle, which are obviously first for top. So let's paste it. And the second one is this background. Let's also paste this one. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to create the divs. So first of all, I'll copy and paste this. Okay, so let's paste it. Again, paste it. No, wait. We have to paste it inside. So let's paste it here. B, then comes C. Okay, so C has a place now, but it's obviously inside the B. So you can't see it right now because we can't even see B. So now we have to write, first of all, width. It is going to be 100. As you can see, I previously made it, but the audio wasn't recorded due to some issue that I resolved now, and I have to re-record it instead of just giving a voiceover. I thought it would be better to do a recording again. Ouch. Background, white color. And now again we have to give position absolute. So position absolute, right? And top maybe 100. Yep, it is 100. And all we have to do now is dot C. And now here we have to give background color first of all. So background is this color specified here. So let's paste it. Also we have to give overflow hidden here. So overflow hidden. That is simply to ensure that the circle isn't visible outside that div, or it would be over this bigger outer circle, which isn't favorable. So again, wait, position absolute was already given, so we'll just go with top, maybe 100, 50. Yep, 50 is good. And now comes left, which I'll give again 10 pixels. Like we can also do that display flex thing, but I would just prefer to do it this way. Let's do with minus 50, minus 100, 150. Yeah. So if we submit it, it is a 100% match, and the score is now 604.99. We can even decrease it further. Like just simply do this. Also, we have wasted a little bit space, so the score is even higher. Like 10 characters were decreased, so maybe it is 605 point something. Yeah, it is. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.